Today, we will redefine what grand touring in the 21st century can look like. Let's take a look at the inspiration that got us here.
For Audi, progress is a journey and a commitment, a road we travel every single day.
Let me be the first to welcome you to our brand new Malibu Design Loft.
The future of the automobile is about choice. Technology, and in particular, digitalization, enable us to create unique experiences.
And here it is, the Audi Skysphere concept.
The Audi Skysphere concept gives you a taste of Audi's upcoming design language. Basically, the car is designed around the interior. The body panel seems dropped over the glass core of the cabin. We ask ourselves, how can we merge both a sports car and a tourer into one vehicle without compromising either experience? We needed a variable wheelbase. The long wheelbase offers ultimate comfort as well as elegance and beauty. Then the car transforms and you get a short wheelbase with all the agility and control you would expect from a sports car.
The Audi Skysphere is a celebration of progress and a celebration of impactful design, because it's in our hands to shape the world to come.